how to change lock screen clock style on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. So if you want to change lock screen clock style, so click on clock. So after click on clock, so if you want to change style, so click on style. So after click on style, you will see change style from here. So after change style, click on done. You will see lock screen clock style is changed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change lock screen clock style on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.